Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to set up Klarna for my business. Let's begin with Shopify. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. On the bottom left, click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, select Payments. Under Shopify Payments, click on See All Providers. Then scroll down and look for Klarna in the available list. If Klarna is supported in your region, you'll see a toggle switch next to it. Turn the Klarna option to On. Once enabled, Klarna will automatically appear as a payment option during checkout for eligible customers. Now let's look at Stripe. Start by logging into your Stripe dashboard. After signing in, click on Settings in the top right corner. Then open the Payments section and select Payment Methods. Scroll down until you find the Buy Now, Pay Later category. Locate Klarna in the list and click Enable. Stripe will now activate Klarna for supported transactions on your website. If you run a custom-built website or want a direct contract with Klarna, you can also use the Klarna Merchant Portal. Go to the Klarna for Business sign-up page and complete the registration form. You'll need to enter your company legal name, registration details, live website URL, business description, and corporate bank account information for payouts. After approval, Klarna will send you a confirmation email with access to your merchant portal. Inside the portal, open the Settings menu and click Generate API Credentials. This will create your merchant ID and API password. You can then add these credentials to your custom website or e-commerce backend. If you are building your own integration, use the Klarna developer documentation for web or mobile SDK setup. Klarna also offers native integrations for platforms like Wix, WooCommerce, Magento, and Squarespace. Thanks for watching.